Hello from Kata Beach. It is 5 p.m. on the 23rd of December, and I'm going in for yet another swim here at Kata Beach. I have been enjoying here on the beach the whole day. I was also like 3 hours in the shadow when it was the most dangerous sun, but I even took some swims earlier before. This is my third swim for today. And I'm showing you now the very end of the beach where we have also the boats that I have shown you earlier also in one of the earlier episodes. And Kata Beach I'm visiting for the second time. I was here exactly 7 days ago on the same spot. And here I took very nice pictures of the sunset last time I was here. So let's see if it's going to be the same today. We still have 1 hour left until the sunset is here, and until then I think it's time for a swim. Now at this very end of the beach it is connecting the sea with some kind of river, so there is a bit of a smell, but I guess it's the same water and I see people swimming here, so I'm gonna go in anyway. And I already took a swim here last week anyway, so it's totally fine indeed. And here we have very shallow water, and the sea has taken a bit of a more part of the beach currently here. But yeah, let's then get ready to go in for a swim here at Kata Beach in Phuket, Thailand. And today's day 11 of my adventures in Thailand. And what else? So what shall I say? Yes, I'm planning to go now on another tour despite having the minor incident with the diarrhea on the previous boat tour that I had 2 days ago. I still want to visit some more of the beautiful islands here in Thailand, and there are a lot here indeed. But let me show you more of the scenery instead of you seeing my face that is kind of burned right now as well. And there we can see also the long boats, as they call them. So 4 days left of me here in paradise before I go back to Sweden, but I'm gonna have another trip after that. So I'm staying here for Christmas in Thailand, and then in New Year I'm gonna be in a different place in the world. So stay tuned to see where I will end up actually. It is very shallow here indeed. Still walking. It really is beautiful indeed. Alright, then let's take a swim at Kata Beach in Phuket, Thailand. So beautiful. So beautiful indeed. And it's very shallow here indeed, but it's nice to for a swim as well. So that's a wrap from Kata Beach. Yet another episode from this wonderful beach in Phuket. Let me show you one more quick look around before we end up this video. It looks so beautiful indeed. Cool. Thanks so much for watching this episode and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.